Happy Planner Wednesday. This spread is from January the 21st through the 27th. So what I decided to do is, since I've been on this fashion kick in my planner, I thought I would do makeup. So I made my own stickers, and then I chose this paper. I think it is so cute. It has lipstick all over it, and then this just looks so happy with stars, butterflies. It's just really pretty. And then I chose this washi. I think I got this at Michael's quite a while ago in like a little 2-pack when they had it on sale. And it has sunglasses, shoes, lipstick, nail polish. I just thought it looked so fun. And then I'm going to be using some of these big markers that I got at Sam's. And this is in pink flamingo. I think it's going to go really nicely with our spread. So let me take my pages out of my planner. I'm so happy that everyone loved my Vogue spread. I enjoyed doing it so much. Okay, and this paper I want to be the dominant theme of the spread with the lipstick and everything, since it is all about makeup. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this. It is so windy here today. We've had a cold front, and it actually feels like 27. I'm loving it. It's so much fun, but it's so windy. And I thought I would just show you. This is the pad that I got at Michael's quite a while ago when it was a hot buy. They have it on sale. It's usually $19.99, but when they're hot buys, they're like, I think $7 or something like that. But it has all this really pretty girly paper, and that's that doll that I told you, fashion doll that I had in here. But I love this, but always check out their hot buys. Okay, now we'll cut this one. But I think this is going to be such a cute, fun little spread. Okay, so let's start putting our paper down like we like it. That is going to be really cute. So let's start gluing our paper down. Oh, I love that. That is really cute. Okay, so let's start putting our washi down. That is so cute. This is cute washi, but I don't know that I like it. It's tearing weird. That is really cute. Okay, let's see. I might want to put some down through here, and I think I will. Oh, I think that really is cute. All right, let's put our stickers down. I just made this, printed this out, and it's a woman with her makeup completely on, and I thought that would be fun to put right up here. Like she's looking down at all her makeup. Then I just went in and printed, I just Googled makeup, images of makeup is what I did. And then here's this with the lipstick and like the eyeliner, and this looks like it's probably blush. So I think I'll put this one right in here. And then this is the L'Oreal Peach blush, and I've actually bought this, and it does smell like peaches. It smells really good. So I think I'll just stick that one right over here. And then I just thought, well, you can't put makeup on without brushes, so I just printed out some brushes. I think they're really cute. And then I printed out one of the Laura Mercier translucent powder. And I think I'll just stick that one right down here. I think that's cute. Okay, now we'll go over here. And this is just a palette of eyeshadow. So I think I'll just stick it right here with the mirror. And I love this lipstick. So I definitely wanted to incorporate that. And I think I'll put that one right about here. And then this is just some corrector. And I think I'll put that one right here. And here's some highlight and bronzer. That is really cute. I think I'll stick this one probably right in here. I just thought this would be such a fun little spread to do. And then here's another palette of different color eyeshadow. And I think I'll put it right here. And then I just ended it with some lipstick. I think that is so cute. Oh, I think I'll put that one about right there. So I think that is really cute. So let me write some things down. Okay. Now I also went ahead and printed out a train case. It was originally a very small sticker, and then I decided, oh, I'll enlarge it. So I enlarged it, and I want to put it, you know, just where you open it, like this contains all of my makeup. So what I'm going to do is just glue this on here. And you can put them, well, this is actually on a sticker paper. I've forgotten, I did put it on the sticker paper. So all you have to do, if you print it on the Avery sticker paper, like I do my stickers, sometimes I print this out like just on a cardstock, is just try your best. You can measure it if you want, but I'm just kind of gonna eyeball it and put this on here. But I thought that this paper picked up, this looks like it has little crystals, and to me that kind of looked like a butterfly and all this sparkle, so I thought that went very nicely. And then all I'm going to do to get where I want to put it, I'm going to put it on the front of this page. So I'm just going to lay it on top, flip this over, and get a pen and just put little marks so I'll know where to punch my holes. And like I said in a video before, they have a hole punch that you can buy specifically for the Happy Planner, but I don't see a need. I just use this from the Dollar Tree and it works just fine. And then I'm just going to punch out my holes. And then so they'll fit in my Happy Planner, all you have to do is just take some scissors and make some cuts right here. And then they'll fit right in the Happy Planner, and remove if you want to take it out. And now we have it, a custom little thing that we can put in our Happy Planner. Okay, so let's put our pages back inside my planner and we'll take a look at it. But I think this is the cutest spread. And it definitely goes with our theme that we've been on here lately. It just looks so fun to me. I love this washi. It started tearing a little bit better later on. And then I love this paper. I really do. And then these stickers that I made, I really do love those. And so I think this all works nicely. And now I can take this and put it right in here. And it fits perfectly. And if I want, I can write on the back. But I just love this spread, how it turned out. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.